Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Venmo. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you have already installed the Venmo application, go ahead and tap on it to open it up. And once it is opened up, you will be taken into the home page from where you will see the Create Account button. Tap on it and you will be asked what kind of account you want to create. Just choose your account type and tap on Get Started. You will then be asked to enter your phone number. Just type in your phone number within the phone number box along with your country code and then tap on the Send Code button. After you tap on Send Code, you will receive a verification code that you will need to type in within the next page. Just type in this verification code that is sent within your phone inbox and you will be taken into the next screen from which you can create your profile. Just type in your desired username and make all of the changes that you want within your profile and you will directly be greeted into your homepage and onto your brand new account on the Venmo app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Venmo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.